We're gonna do another beauty box unboxing. Let's get into it. This box took you by surprise. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It took me by surprise. That is literally what happens when you have a subscription service. Like it popped up. It kind of felt like it just kind of popped up on me. But now we have it. It's in my home. So let's see what's in it. If you don't know what the Allure Beauty Box subscription is, it's basically a beauty box subscription where they'll send you some full-size stuff, some sample size stuff every month. I think I pay like $26 for this box. I've gotten some really neat stuff out of this. Not sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored, but it's kind of fun to do this kind of video and open up and see what they threw in here for me. I'm just gonna reach in blind for each piece and we're gonna see what's in here. This one's heavy, by the way, too. It's heavy. It's a heavier box. What's this? What is this? Head and hair heal shampoo, vegan and animal friendly, dry scalp relief. Okay. I would have to see what's in here. I am a little particular about what I put in my hair because I have locks and I don't want to damage my locks. I've always been a little particular, but especially now more so with my hair being locked and everything. I mean, this kind of sounds good to me. I would have to look more into the brand before I'm like gung-ho all in. It's a yes for me. It's not. It's gonna be a maybe. It's a maybe. Okay, this is, oh, okay. Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. I'm gonna smell her. I'm gonna smell her right now because I'm sorry. This is heavy too. You're joking. Is that shimmer I see? Stop it right now. Is that how you get it out? Oh, is it covered? I just got a whiff. I just got a whiff. Oh my gosh. See, the thing is, I don't need to have oil on my hands. Come on out. Let me see you. Let me see you. Oh, that smells so nice. It's a yes for me. It's a yes. I already feel like the box is worth it. Let's keep going. Let's see. This is Naked Sundays. Okay. Sunscreen. When I tell y'all, me and sunscreen have not always gotten along because of, you know, the whole white cast that, you know, comes with a lot of like the, you know, more traditional sunscreens. And then I was able to get the one by Glow recipe and I've been wearing it and I loved it and I'm almost out of it. And so I've been trying to like find other deals. I'm sorry. Trying to find other deals where I can get something with sunscreen in it. I'm so grateful for this. I have heard of the brand Naked Sundays. I don't remember if I heard like amazing things or like, I think it was just like good things about it. But this is the SPF 50 Collagen Glow 100% mineral sunscreen. So we're gonna give it a try. It's gonna be a yes from me unless it has a white cast. Let's look at her actually. Let me see her because I don't want to get excited just to be played. Then I'm gonna have to give it away to somebody. Whoop! I fear I've used too much. What's it giving? What's it giving? Come on, girly. Come on. That's not bad. I was scared. You had me in the first half, not gonna lie. That doesn't look bad. I'm gonna go with a yes for this one. This is Luna Nectar Neptune Hydrate and Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I love a good serum, so I'm gonna add this to the shelf, to the collection. I do like when I get serums in the Allure beauty boxes because serums can be the most expensive part of a skincare routine. So I love having them on decks. I don't always get them. At one point, I feel like I was getting a lot of toners, but I'm happy and grateful to get a serum for sure. This one's gonna be a yes for me because I know I'm gonna use it. Unless it just like really irritates my skin. I keep peeking. I'm sorry. I keep peeking. This one is the Boxum, the plumping lip liner in Real Red. Hello, red. Y'all know I'm gonna try her. I'm gonna try her out in red. Okay, so it is this slim. I've seen some like this. I don't mind that color. It is, I think it's I thought it was a blue red. It might be more of an orangey red. I'm into it. That's a yes from me. Thank you. Never have too many lip liners. Never, ever. Can never have too many lip liners. I used the last one. I've seen it like 12 times by now. Not the brand though. Oh, the conditioner to match the shampoo. Aren't you all thoughtful? This was a maybe, right? So both these are gonna be maybes. Guys, listen, there wasn't a whole lot in this box, but I got some big stuff. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to put the total retail price of the items that I said yes for, and I'm gonna let you guys decide if this box was worth my $26. If you have made it this far, thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you tried any like beauty subscription boxes, or if you're interested in any. Let me know what your experience with this whole kind of concept is. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, morning, evening, night, wherever you are. Have a blessed one, and we'll be in touch soon. Bye, babe.